Here I've got Xiaomi Black Shark 3, and let me show you how to use TalkBack on the following device. First of all, you have to open the settings, then find and select additional settings, go to accessibility then, and here under downloaded services you will find TalkBack. Smoothly click on it, and if you'll click here, you'll be able to activate TalkBack. Just mark it here, confirm that you are given all needed permissions. Here you've got tutorial, but let me go back because basically all you have to know is written right here. So let me just volume it up so you can hear it clearly.
Media volume controls shown. Swipe up to dismiss. Accessibility volume set to 85%. When TalkBack is on, it provides spoken feedback so that you can use your device without looking at the screen. This can be helpful for people who are blind or partially sighted. To navigate using TalkBack, swipe right or left to move between items. Double tap to activate an item. Drag 2 fingers to scroll. To turn off TalkBack, tap the switch. You'll see a green outline. Double tap the switch. On the confirmation message, tap OK. Then double tap OK. Volume controls hidden.
And that's it. So basically all you have to do is to mark some particular icon once, then double tap to select it. You can mark anything.
Display size S in list 29
then you will be
items.
provided with feedback.
Color correction off.
And if you would like to turn it off, just mark it, double tap, click on accessibility and turn it off. Confirm it by tapping on stop. And that's it. So this is how you can activate, use and switch TalkBack off. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.